Hello, my dear friends. Insta Pharmaceuticals is conducting a walk-in interview. Here you can see at Pune. The position is technician, officer, or senior officer. The department is parenteral injectable packaging department. The qualification required is ITI, Diploma in Pharmacy, B.pharm or M.pharm. The experience required is 2 to 5 years of experience in visual inspection, track and trace, labeling, BPCR, packaging, planning, and documentation. And the next is technician or officer or senior officer under parenteral injectable manufacturing department, ITA, D.pharma or B.pharm or M.pharm, 2 to 5 years of experience in batch manufacturing, vial filling, washing tunnel, autoclave. Next is officer to senior officer, quality assurance department, B.pharm, M.pharm, 1 to 3 years of experience. Next position is senior officer to assistant manager, AQA microbiology, MSc microbiology, 2 to 10 years of experience. The next position is officer to executive quality control, chemical or microbiology. Qualification is B.sc M.sc B.pharm or M.pharm. 2 to 7 years of experience. The date of walk-in is 9th April 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The venue Hotel Central Park, Bund Garden Road. So the job location is Insta Pharmaceuticals, Ahmedabad. These are the details, my dear friends. Thank you for watching. For job updates, jobalert.in. See you in the next video with more job updates like this.